Hi, I'm Kelly with Kelly Kits, and today I want to show you how to complete this really fun, easy holiday collage project with your kids at the kitchen table. So let's take a look at what you need to get started. For this project, you're going to want some heavyweight paper. I have paper in white and then a little bit of colored sulfite paper right here. You'll also want an assortment of different tissue papers. You can use regular tissue paper or you can use bleeding art tissue. Today I'm going to use bleeding art tissue because that produces a really cool effect. Scissors, white glue, a foam brush, crayon, and a little bit of white paint with some Q-tips, and that's all you need to get started. So what you'll want to do with your colored tissue paper is cut it into little shapes. You can cut it into triangles, rectangles, circles, squares. I have some squares that I've pre-cut right here. And for your white glue, you want to mix your white glue 1 part glue to 1 part water, maybe even 1 part glue to 2 parts water. You want it to be a nice, very viscous mixture. And so with your foam brush, you're just going to paint that glue onto your white paper, and you're going to tessellate your shapes right onto the white paper, just like so. And as you decoupage these on, you can actually go right over them with a little bit of the glue mixture. And so you're going to fill up the entire page until it looks something like this. This was done with circular shapes. And after this is completely dry, you will cut Christmas tree shapes out of it, just very large, long, triangular shapes. So I'm going to do that right now, just to kind of give you an example. So you can just draw a triangle on the back, and then we're just going to cut it out. Like so. And so you'll need at least 3, maybe 4 of those. And then with your colored paper, you're going to choose one for the background, for the sky, and then you're going to choose another color for the horizon. So I'm going to use blue as my background for the sky, and then I'm going to use the green as my ground, sort of my foreground. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to cut a little bit of a wavy line just like that. And I'm going to take my glue again, and I'm going to glue this together onto the bottom of my paper. So that's going to be my background right there. And now I can go ahead and start to glue on my trees. And so I'm just going to keep this simple right now. I'm going to glue one little tree. And I think I would actually like to give this little tree a stem. So I'm going to glue this little stem on right here. And now, I would of course like to let that dry first, but I'm going to just demonstrate. You're going to take white acrylic paint or white tempera paint and a Q-tip, and you're just going to dot little snowflakes all over your picture. And it's really just that simple. Now this is a very quick demonstration, but let me show you the completed project again. Here is one done by my 13-year-old daughter. Here's another lovely sample. This was done by my 10-year-old daughter. And this adorable picture was done by my 4-year-old daughter. So as you can see, this is a really fun, simple collage project that brings the whole family together. And I also wanted to show you, with your leftover scraps, you can make beautiful little gift tags for your Christmas presents this year. This is just plain brown paper with a little colored ribbon and a little tag that has a gold pen written on it. It makes a beautiful little gift tag year-round, really. It doesn't have to be for Christmas, it could be for any type of gift, really. So that was really a fun idea right there. So this project, you can actually pick up this kit in my shop right now. It's called Color Chorus, and you can get the materials that you need to complete this shop. The kit is on sale right now in the shop, and also if you check out the shop, I have a 60% off bundle of art lesson kits right now. You get 5 lessons, and you'll get painting, sculpting, drawing, printmaking, and collage. That'll be a PDF download. 60% off right now as an introductory bundle. And in every single art lesson, you'll get art appreciation, technical instructions, you'll get a preschool literary recommendation, as well as a cross-curricular elementary school lesson plan. So please be sure to check that out. Like this video, comment, let me know what kind of art lessons you'd like to see me demonstrate next. And please be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful holiday.